You know that sinking feeling when you hear about another data breach? Yeah, me too. But have you ever wondered how passwords actually get hacked? And what you can do to stop it from happening to you? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the basics. Hackers don't usually sit around guessing passwords one by one. Instead, they use smart software that can try thousands, even millions of combinations in minutes. This is called brute force attack. If your password is something simple, like password 123 or your birthday, it'll get cracked in seconds. But that's not the only method. There are phishing attacks where you get a fake email or message that looks super real, maybe from your bank or a streaming service, asking you to log in. You click the link, type your info, and boom, the hacker has your password. Sneaky, right? Then there's something called credential stuffing. See, if one of your accounts gets hacked, those details often end up on the dark web. Hackers grab those stolen usernames and passwords and try them on other sites. If you reuse your password, it's game over. Now, how do you protect yourself? First tip, make your passwords long and unpredictable. No birthdays, no pet names, nothing obvious. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Even better, use a password manager. They create and remember strong passwords for you, so you don't have to. Second, never reuse passwords. If one site gets hacked, you don't want all your accounts at risk. It might sound annoying, but trust me, it's worth it. Third, always turn on two-factor authentication when you can. That's the thing where you get a code on your phone or email before logging in. It adds an extra layer of security, so even if someone gets your password, they can't get in without your second factor. And finally, watch out for phishing. Don't click on random links, even if they look official. When in doubt, type the website address yourself or use the official app. Passwords can feel like a hassle, but spending a few minutes making them strong could save you hours or even years of headaches later. Stay safe online and don't make it easy for hackers. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe for more straightforward tech tips. Stay secure out there.